Hi guys, today we are going to do a really cool tutorial for DIY autumn macrame leaves. Aren't they gorgeous? They make a really beautiful home decor piece. Now this is a really great project if you haven't tried macrame before, because it just uses one knot technique that you repeat down to make the leaf. So keep watching and I'm going to teach you how. Enjoyed that tutorial and you're feeling inspired to give this macrame project a go. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I've got loads more really cool tutorials on my channel that are all about home decor and projects that you can nail the first time. So give me a follow. Bye!